about love is you never really know when it's coming, but you better believe you'll know when it's there.
Today is Thursday and Wednesday, and tomorrow it's supposed to be rain, so I thought why not go see the cherry blossoms while it's still pretty. And I decided to come to this park called Chidorigafuchi, and I actually lived near Kitanomaru Park when I was in college, but I realized I never took a proper walk around this park. And I mean, I get why it's such a popular place, because even though it's like a Wednesday, it's a weekday, and everybody's supposed to have work, but it's like hectic here. I mean, there are so many people, and yeah, I did manage to like take videos and take a few photos, but I mean, I'm not even kidding. I mean, I wonder what it would be like during the weekend, because it's super crowded. I feel like I need something to drink, but because I've been walking for like 2 hours or so, and so I need to find like a cafe where I can rest. I'm so glad that I came, even though it was a little cloudy, but